have a new friend, Chili Dog. He's not quite sure. There's Abby Road, and Bella, and Nova, and Joey. Where's Lou, Joe? And there's a new girl, Abby. Hi, Abby. She's found her spot. Have you?
Abby girl, what you do?
And Sausage, and Luce, Bella, Bella. Bella, honey. Be nice, sweetheart. Thank you. There's our Philly, and our Dewey, our Venkin. Hi. Hi, Nova. Where you been, honey? There's Caliper, and Callie. There's Nova, and there's Joey. Nova ain't been here in a while, Joe. What, Owen? And Josie, and Rory, and Charlie, and Tallulah drinking out the pitcher. That's too cute, Tallulah.